Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a craft for our cats. We are going to make a DIY toy out of an old t-shirt for the cats. The first thing you will need to do is gather your materials. For this craft, you only need scissors and an old shirt. Next, you'll need to lay out the shirt and cut it into 3 different long pieces of fabric. For some shirts, you may be able to use the sleeve, but for this particular one, I just used part of the front of the shirt and part of the back. Next, you'll need to tie all 3 pieces together in a knot. Then you'll braid the 3 pieces together. And tie another knot at the end. Finally, you'll cut the pieces at the end after the knot so that it's a little bit more frayed. And you have a new and super easy to make toy for your cat. Thanks for watching and have a happy Thanksgiving.